Okay, if you have with your patient, if your casualty is conscious enough, you can have them put it. So, so you can put pressure. You can do that. Remove the dressing from the sterile packet. So this is your combat gauze, the one that has the. And again, this is for training purposes. Yeah. So this is for training purposes. So you can open it up, and then. Oh yeah. So yeah, save it okay when you open it. So just save the packet, don't throw it away. You open it up, it's applying pressure. Okay, you're gonna pack tightly. So depending if it's a deep wound, you just want to pack it as much as you can. Okay, so you have a release. You're gonna keep applying pressure as you're giving it space. You're giving it leeway here. So just keep applying. Okay. And if you think you've used enough, right, then they said just use or if you think this is enough, you can use the excess. Sayang, so if you want to just cut it, then cut it, okay? Yeah, so just remove that, cut it, or just use it. So once you apply it, how long should you apply it? Before you apply the bandage?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, okay. So once you do that, hold it, pressure for 3 minutes, reassess. Okay, we're on number 6, so you're going to reassess to ensure bleeding has stopped, been controlled, and then it gives you a scenario where if the bleeding has not been controlled, remove and repack. So it's still oozing, it's still soaking up with blood. Remove it, open a new one, put a new one. Okay? If it's not stopping, if it's still soaking with blood, okay, even with direct pressure, change it and then put a new one. Okay? So once you do that, or you just keep on applying pressure to more gauze. Okay, so just pretending you're putting more gauze. Okay, so once you do that, 3 minutes, right? Then you take this, and see it's hard, right? Because you're applying while you're opening at the same time. Again, if they're conscious, you can have them hold it. So go ahead and hold it. So on Saturday, I don't know what the casualty example will be, whether they're going to be conscious or not. So if they're conscious, perfect. But if your example, if they're not conscious, then you're going to have to do it on your own. Okay?
There's a time limit.
We'll put pressure on you. As if there's a time limit.
You can check us all doing it?
Yes.
Really? You're only 6.
No. So just pretend.
The highlight is so good.
Yeah.
So
So this one.
You have your sample.
So, with the two-handed,
Yung iba, ilalagay nila para madaling slide. Para lang din maging safe.
and that's the bridge control, but it's a two-handed.
At least mas mabilis siya. So, wait for her. So, anong gagawin? Iba ka lang.
Wagi ang tanan tropa sa imo sir, sa bilangon nimo. Alas 6 sir, alas 6. Ana. Everybody withdraw 6 o'clock. Everybody. Ayo. Wounded, lakaw ng wounded una. Harap sir. Okay, makinig. Tingnan dito sa akin. Tingnan sa akin. Muna.
this only. Okay? Sure. What are your questions? You just cannot speak. The rules is you cannot speak. Okay? Get down.
Be creative. Just don't speak and don't run outside the lines. Figure out a way to get to in order of month and day. Doesn't matter the year, just month and day.
Okay, no speaking. Okay? If your group is done, you raise your hand. Ready? You got 10 minutes up. Full security on the door to the right. Now this guy, nope. I'm here. This guy's pulling security straight down to the hallway. You're pulling security up here.
Up.
And then rear. Right? I'm pulling security here to the door in case somebody comes out. Good? Tracking?
Yes.
From here, we make our determination if we're going to call the preacher. And then the preacher comes around. So in this case, our techniques, it could be different with you guys on your squad. Okay? So with me and my squad, my technique is, or my hand and arm signal is preacher. This is the sign of preacher.
Richard, the last man.
So preacher comes up, open up. Preacher comes, open down. Great security. Yeah. You're gonna tell him. So this is supposed to be me. Come on, okay. Full security on the front.
One guy, one guy.
Security on the front. Preacher comes up. Come in. Let him know. Now, I'm coming through. So I check the door. I check for any booby traps. Right? Looking for any wires, any dead cord, or anything that looks out of the ordinary. So identify the hinges. In this case, I don't see no hinges. And then I see the doorknob here. So I'm going to tell these guys, the door, like quietly, opens this way. The door opens this way. Then everyone should give me acknowledge. They know. Right, so they acknowledge. Then, we're going to breach. Back, and keep it tight. Because it's a closed door, we're not rocking on the stack. We're not rocking to go in. So in this case, I'm going to tell them I'm going to breach on 3. 1, 2, 3. Breach. And then they go in. Okay? We're going to cover what happens when they go in. Okay? So this is the hallway. You don't need to put security here. Building. Close. So this is the. Okay, so that's what they call the rolling key, right? If I put security straight to the front, this guy is put security to the right and left. This guy's left and right. This guy is rear security. But he's supposed to be proficient more, and he should be able to move backwards, right? Let's try again. That's called the rolling key. Good. Slow. Okay. That's the rolling key. Inside. You have to clear. I want you to put the hallway, the door, everything. Ready? On me. Moving. Were able to identify where you messed up, and then you came back and said, let's redo it again. I think with more practice, some of you guys are still a little bit confused of what to do and what your role is, but with a little bit more practice, you guys will be able to cover it. What I did like is when you identified the corners or hallway, you guys always took into factor that you must always pull security, and that's what you guys did. If you didn't pull security, maybe one guy would take out the whole team. That was fairly well. You guys just continue to practice, and we're going to have more time this afternoon. We're going to show what right almost looks like, and then from there, hopefully, you guys will pick up some stuff from it. Okay?
Sir.
Thank you, sir. Tapon me. Tapon me. Verifying. Verifying. Clear. Open door. Open door. Clear. Moving. First man up. Second man up. Fourth man up. Clear. Room clear. Moving out. Moving. Moving. Up. Moving. Here. Here. Up. Okay. Oh. Pwede po ito na magbuhat ng security. Okay? Tack on me. Tack on me. Ang paa. Paa ha. Sabay paa. Room open. Room open. Room open. Oh. First man up! Fourth man up! Clear! Moving! Moving out! Go, friendly. Friendly yan. Door closed, full way. Security. Security. Yes, sir. Clear. Distribution. Clear, wala pa. Oh. Door closed, need demolition. Good. One man up. Two man up. Third man up. Room clear. Moving. Out. Ingat. Go, no, no, no. Ikaw na ito nga. Man. Ikaw na ito nga. Ako na last. Sniper just so was okay. Kaming doang sir mag-verify ha. Sniper. No. Verify. Verify. Charge. Charge. Kneeling. Clear. Clear. Pinto ka dre. Stand ka. Pinto ka. Standing ka. Hindi pa sa ko. Street sa ko. Street sa ko. Street to ana. Ana. Okay. Moving out. Clear. All clear. All clear. All clear. Okay. Moving out.
We are still on the third day. This is our scenario, the CQB. As you can see on the far left, they are the Philippine Navy sailors, and on the other is the Philippine Marines. Here are the Philippine Army, and in the middle is our instructor, Staff Sergeant Salas. So siyang magkudlo sa mo'ag CQB. So we are here at the Camp Felix Apolinario conducting a training. Close quarter demonstration. And over there, same, the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Air Force. They are there training. And also over there, the Philippine Air Force are also training a CQB. So kill house, this is tawag ang kill house, glass house. So yun sila. So later on, mo-join ako din sa mga Marines. So Army ang unang nag-perform. Army ang unang nag-perform. Sulok. So naniid lang si Sergeant Salas. And the Marines.
Palandong.
Ay na yun. Si tahon ko, nag-document ko sir, nag-document.
Nakapos document.
Sabi? Sabay-sabay ang nag-read. Ano eh?
Tulungan ka grupo ko.
What? Doon ka grupo ang army.
Dito lang ba naman na?
Gubot kita na. Naman tayo, bakante dito.
Wapo ka rin kita noon. Wala yung composite.
Royal Rumble ba? Maris, wag ka sulod.
Ana na marin, sila yung ginagawa. Relax na ako.
The time will come, you will show up.
Ah. The Philippine Navy. Look at the Philippine Navy. Napa sila sa hallway. Hallway then. Ha? Oh, lima-lima. Tama ning sa Navy, duha ka nga sa hallway, tulo ang isulod. Op, binanggaay ang baril. Oh, expose kayo. Uy. Sige lang. Mali, ilampasin nilang isa ka room. Ayun, mabalik pa sila sa isa ka room. The army. Look at the army. Okay, Marines, move! Look at Marines. Si Sarge Grande ang nag-lead. Sarge Grande ang nag-lead. They are now maneuvering na. Verifying. Ginawa ni Sarge Grande is verify.
Waiting for Miss Ann.
Okay. Clear.
You gonna call me right back? Miss Ann's gonna call me back. Yeah.
Gaya nakalihok sa Marines. Nakabalik na ng Navy.
Sulod ang tanan. Clear naman to.